welcome. After releasing MIDI Mesh and the wonderful response I got on this somewhat unknown channel, I thought I would give a more comprehensive breakdown of what the app can do and what you can do with it in regards to music production.
By the way, I don't really use social media, so this app at the moment is pretty much dead in the water. It's only on this small channel and on GitHub. So what I'd like to ask you is, if you know anyone that you think might get some kind of joy from this app, please share it with them. If you know anyone that might be entertained by these videos, please share them. It would be greatly appreciated, and it would help the app to get out into the world, into the hands of people that will get some use from it. So, okay. Thanks guys.
Before we get into the how-to, I think it's important to understand a little bit of theory involved with the app. Specifically, there's some constraints that define how structures behave. More specifically, there are systems. And here they are. When I originally started making this app, I wanted to exclude any written text whatsoever. I wanted the experience to be like you're deciphering an alien control panel. It's a nice idea, but I soon figured this could be extremely frustrating for some people, and the full potential of the app just wouldn't be realized. So future iterations gradually started to include text, labels, and so on. However, there is still some ambiguity here and there. So hopefully the following information will shed some light on a few things. To connect as host, make sure your devices are connected first. Then choose host/OTG and enable the devices in the following menu. This is purely for demonstration purposes, as the Electribe and NTS1 sound absolutely awful when using USB MIDI. I filtered out the noise as much as possible. If you want to use the app to send MIDI to another app, make sure the other app is running first. Then once again, choose host/OTG and enable the app in the following menu. For connecting to another MIDI host, like a Raspberry Pi or a PC or something, make sure your Android USB is set to MIDI first and choose Guest. Now that you're connected and you've created a few nodes, to send some packets into the system, tap on a node on the canvas and then tap the displayed node here. So now you're on your way, and there's absolutely nothing wrong with just diving in and trying stuff out for yourself. That was the original spirit of the app. But for the sake of reducing ambiguity, here is a quick breakdown of the packet logic. A single connection between two nodes is a hop, and each grid space is a tick. In this example, all hops are 4 ticks, or 4 grid spaces. If we add 3 ticks of lag to each node, then move each node so they are only 1 grid space apart, the packet timing will behave exactly the same as the original configuration. In other words, it will take a packet 4 ticks to complete the hop. Stack nodes on top of each other and then double tap the stack to create a group node. Double tap a group node to access the lag and strum sliders. Packet timing is treated a bit differently between locked and unlocked nodes. However, this can be used to your advantage, as can be seen and heard in the following examples. So hopefully this video has made a few things a bit clearer for anyone who's interested. If not, well, hopefully it's at least a little bit entertaining. Have fun, guys. Take care. Take it easy. Talk soon.